Welcome back to SaaS Beast Pro, your go-to spot for mastering productivity tools like a pro. In today's video, we're diving into 5 hidden Miro features for Windows, collaboration magic, that'll seriously level up your team's workflow. These aren't your everyday tips. We're talking about powerful, under-the-radar features that unlock smarter collaboration. Now let's get started. Number 1, knowledge sources. If your team struggles to find the right information at the right time, this feature is a game changer. Miro's integration with Glean brings your company's knowledge directly into your canvas. No more tab switching or digging through docs. It's all about faster decisions and seamless collaboration. Let's do it. Step 1. Authenticate the Glean app inside Miro. This one-time setup connects your Miro workspace to Glean's AI-powered search engine. Step 2. Once connected, open the Glean chat panel within Miro. You'll now be able to ask questions using natural language, just like chatting with a teammate. Step 3. Search for company knowledge directly in the chat. Glean will surface relevant documents, discussions, and updates from across your internal tools. Step 4. Drag and drop insights from Glean straight onto your Miro board. You can instantly turn search results into sticky notes, flowcharts, or documents. Step 5. Use this integration during brainstorming or presentations to back up ideas with real data. It keeps your sessions informed, focused, and aligned. Step 6. Refine your queries and verify sources right inside the chat. Glean helps you dig deeper without leaving the canvas. Step 7. Collaborate in real time with your team using the surfaced knowledge. Everyone stays on the same page, literally and figuratively. And that's just the first hidden gem. The next feature will completely change how you visualize team input. Stick around, it only gets better from here. Number 2. AI Playground. Miro's AI Playground is a hidden powerhouse for generating structured content instantly. It helps teams skip the setup phase and jump straight into collaboration with smart templates and contextual suggestions. This feature saves time and sparks creativity right on the canvas. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click on the AI Playground icon in your Miro workspace. This opens up a panel where you can interact with Miro's AI assistant. Step 2. Choose Create Team Board or select a quick start option like diagram, mind map, or project tracker. These templates are designed to kickstart your workflow with minimal effort. Step 3. Type your request directly into the AI chat. For example, ask it to build a project tracker table with specific columns like task name, owner, milestones, and blockers. Step 4. The AI will generate the requested structure and place it directly onto your canvas. You'll see a fully formatted table or diagram ready for collaboration. Step 5. You can select objects on the canvas to add context or ask the AI for changes. It adapts in real time, letting you refine layouts or add new elements. Step 6. Use the Add to Canvas button to finalize and lock in the generated content. From here, your team can start editing and contributing instantly. Step 7. For even more control, try the Sidekick AI beta for deeper customization and smarter suggestions. It's like having a design assistant built into your board. And that's just the beginning. The next feature will show you how to turn feedback into action with zero friction. Let's keep the magic going. Number 3. Invite members. Collaboration only works when the right people are in the room, or in this case, on the board. Miro's invite system lets you bring teammates in instantly, whether they're internal or external. It's a simple but powerful way to keep everyone aligned. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Click on the Invite Members button in the top right corner of your Miro board. This opens the sharing panel for your current workspace or project. Step 2. Choose your invite method. You can manually enter email addresses or use integrations like Microsoft, Google, or Slack to pull in contacts. Step 3. Paste or type in the email addresses of the people you want to invite. You can add multiple addresses at once for faster onboarding. Step 4. hit Send Invitations to notify your team. They'll receive an email with direct access to the board. Step 5. Alternatively, copy the team invite link and share it through your preferred channel. It's perfect for quick access during live sessions or async collaboration. Step 6. If you need to collaborate with clients or external partners, upgrade your plan to enable secure guest access. This ensures your shared boards stay protected while still being accessible. And just like that, your board becomes a live collaboration hub. Up next, a feature that turns scattered feedback into structured action. Let's keep going. Number 4. Apps and integrations. Miro's hidden strength lies in how easily it connects with your favorite tools. By adding the right apps, you can supercharge your boards with everything from cloud storage to design assets and real-time data. It's all about creating a seamless, all-in-one workspace. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of Miro. This opens up your account settings menu. Step 2. Select Admin Console from the drop-down. This is where you manage team-level settings and integrations. Step 3. Click on the Apps tab to access the Apps and Integrations panel. Here you'll see all the apps currently added to your team. Step 4. Browse through the available integrations like Google Drive, Dropbox, Adobe Creative Cloud, and Draw.io diagrams. These apps extend your board's functionality with just a few clicks. Step 5. To add a new app, simply click on it and follow the prompts to connect your account. Once added, the app becomes instantly available on your boards. Step 6. If you're on the business plan, you can control which apps are available to specific teams. This gives you more flexibility and governance across your organization. Step 7. Use these integrations to pull in assets, collaborate across platforms, and streamline your creative or planning workflows. It's like giving your board a productivity upgrade. And we're just getting warmed up. The next feature will help you turn chaos into clarity with one smart move. Let's keep going. Number 5. Team Sign-Up Mode. Controlling how new members join your Miro team is key to maintaining security and collaboration flow. Team Sign-Up Mode gives you flexible options, from open access to admin approval, based on your organization's needs. It's a quiet but powerful setting that shapes your workspace culture. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Click your profile picture in the top right corner of Miro, then select Admin Console. This takes you to your team's administrative settings. Step 2. Navigate to the Security section and click on Permissions. Here you'll find the Team Sign-Up Mode settings. Step 3. Choose your preferred sign-up mode. You can set it to Invitation Only, Discoverable and open to anyone with a certain domain, or Discoverable with admin approval. Step 4. Under the Invitation section, decide who can invite new users, either team admins only or anyone in this team. This gives you control over how widely access is granted. Step 5. Enable the team invite link if you want to allow access via a shared URL. This link will appear in your board sharing settings and team invite options. Step 6. For external collaborators, you can invite people outside your team at no extra cost on the starter plan or use secure guest access on the business plan. This makes it easy to bring in clients or partners without compromising security. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to SaaS Beast Pro for more smart tools and hidden gems.